Y'all.
What the fuck?
Y'all, we in the middle of the fucking road.
Come steer this
What?
shit, bro.
Okay. I'm in the car. Is somebody helping him? And he told me, turn the wheel, put the window down. I couldn't put the window down, for one.
Alright, y'all, while she's yapping some nonsense, let me tell y'all what really happened. So we were literally no less than 30 seconds away from the gas station. On the GPS, it literally said 1 minute away.
I'm guessing this car is heavy as fuck. Right?
We were right there. As you can see, while we was pushing it, see it right there. It's in plain sight. So I really thought I could make it to the gas station. Obviously not. Guys, girls, just don't let this happen to you. If you got an RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat, whatever you got, man. If that thing say low, go to the gas station as quick as you can, bro. Don't end up like me on the side of the road. Or in the middle of the road, my fault. What it do, YouTube? Today we're gonna be washing the car using a foam cannon pressure washer, whatever the fuck. I don't know. Boy Z gave it to me. He said, here, don't use that Turtle Wax BS to wash your car no more. Use this. Let me show y'all what I was finna go use. I was finna go AutoZone starter kit. You know what I'm saying? $8.99 little microfiber mitten Turtle Wax wet shine mode. That man said, take that BS back and use that. And I got it all lined up here. Got the pressure washer right there, the foam cannon right there. We got all the stuff that we're gonna need to wash Big Bertha, Big Betty, or whatever you wanna call her. Still ain't got a name for her yet, but y'all give me some suggestions in the comments. We're gonna go ahead and get started, but first I wanna shout out my boy Z. He came through clutch with all of this stuff. He also installed too, so you know what I'm saying, shout out my nigga Z. We all need a friend like Z, so you know what I'm saying, y'all drop in the comments, Z the GOAT, Z you the best, whatever you want to say, you know what I'm saying, just give my nigga Z a shout out. But I will cut y'all back on when it's time to, you know, go ahead and get started, and I will show y'all the after effects.
To me, I had a problem with a bitch. I feel like a sucker if I baked her. Ain't no doubling back on the fucks. You fuck her one time, ho, I hate you. Woo. Can't play me if you tried it. 400,000, that's in diamonds. 200,000 cars. Crazy part, I don't even drive it. Biggest fox. If you ain't a fox, nigga, get from around me. We got smoke with the city. Everybody don't want a cord, they don't slick divide. Every nigga with me to blitz some shit. Can't fuck up, nigga, my name on this. Nigga, I got status for real. I gave him that money. If it's 30,000 in his peak, that cheese from blissing. Nigga, I got rank for real. Why you say that? Why you say that? Cause I might get cool with the mail just to get away with my hits. Better get you a roll and play it. Ain't no big eyes with you, nigga just need to know that position. Nigga, every time a problem came my face, soon as route slow down, I ain't got no problem taking it back to the basics.
I got a lot of kids on call, I can get you hit. Yeah, I was up top cut though when I sit that blitz. For real, everybody pocket loaded with straight too rich. For real, when nigga never play football, he still got pissed. Damn, me and the trainer, lounge truck. My nigga tight, stand up. Can't let her play with your name, dog. Cook got Bluetooth on the AR. Youngers gon' go, they gon' drill shit. Fox said the word, we gon' kill shit. They know the name with the biggest in it. Baseball sliding, they really spinning. Paper tag, the one attendant.
What they saying? Working hard, or hardly working? Hardly working. I'm a helper, so like, whenever he needs something, I'm a helper. Yeah. We're currently lowering the baby scat. See the first strap is taken out. Got the car up on jack stands. And these are babies is going in. Yeah, so I already got the wheel off and everything. And yeah, we're just going ahead and get started with this shit. I don't know what the hell bro over there is doing, but seems like he's moving on his own. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we got the first one out. So now what we gotta do is take this strut apart. As y'all can see, that's how it is out here. What we gotta do is just take this thing apart. You know what he doing. I don't even know what I just looked at. Go back to these springs though. So yeah, as y'all can see, that's the old one, that's the new one that's going in. You can kind of see a difference. It's like 1.25 inches difference in the back. These are the back, obviously, and these are the front. But all right, y'all. So we back. It's the next day. Got the back done. As y'all can see, it's kind of tucked away. Center flush, all beautiful and shit. And now we're getting the wheel off of that one, so we can go ahead and do the front. Should be able to knock this out fairly quick. You said the back is harder than the front, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
all we gotta do is disconnect this, disconnect that. 3 bolts at the top. This whole thing comes out. Spring compressor. We're gonna compress the spring. The new spring is on. Slap that bitch. Ain't nothing to get out the way over here. It's just take this out. And you got a new car, so your shit shouldn't be rusted together. So when I take shit apart, it should just.
all right, y'all. So we got the first one out in the front. We gotta go ahead and disassemble that so we can cut some pieces off and get it out of here. That was quick though. I ain't gonna lie. Hey man, I'm just here for moral support, man. We just helping right now. Like I said, it should be fairly quick. Putting out records with this thing, man. I cut y'all back on. She ain't subscribed. No. Don't even look like it got lower for real. But we gonna pull it out on the street and we gonna see what it look like in a minute.
I read something different. This one said it dropped to 3/4 finish. This only at 6 1/4. That side that was. You gotta move it first. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So I can move it out to the street.
Oh yeah. It still got a nice little gap in it, but it definitely dropped.
So, I don't even know what to see. It's definitely dropped. I'll give y'all a better look in the morning, though. Make sure all the bad gas is up out of there. Competition hard as hell. I think I might get me one of them bitches. But anywho, yeah, y'all catch up. Damn, that bitch loud. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, it's the next day. Let me see. I might gotta turn the wheel straight so y'all can really see the fitment on it. Yeah, y'all. So as y'all can see, she got a little bit lower, maybe like 1 inch or some change. She a little bit lower. It's more lower in the back than it is the front, so I might have to go pick up some stock Hellcat or a Scat Pack front suspension, just the springs or struts. Just let me know what I need down below. I feel like I really just need the springs, but the back, I ain't gonna lie, the back is perfect though. I got a lot of plans for this car, so I really need it to be low for the plans that I do have for this car. I don't need it riding stock RT or V6 height. but I wanted to give it that good aggressive look. Low, mean, angry, looking crazy. And I also got to get a new front splitter too. I ain't gonna tell y'all what happened, but just know I didn't do that. Don't let people drive your cars. Won't never let that happen again. Yeah, but got a little carbon fiber diffuser, splitter. Got a carbon fiber diffuser too. Back to this fitment. It looks great. The front really looked the same. It dropped a little bit, maybe like an inch or some change, but I really want to get rid of this whole little wheel gap. But like I said, the back is perfect. I'm sitting on 275s right now. I feel like if I go maybe like 285, 295, it'll fit perfect. Like the fitment on this gonna be just crazy. Let's see the other side. Yeah, like I said, y'all, the other side is straight. It looks good. Like, it really does look good. Let me probably back it up a little bit more so y'all can see it's kind of sitting on the hill right now. All right, so I backed it up. Yeah. It's not really because of the hill. It's the springs. It's like it looks lower in the back than it does the front. I got these BMR, I think, BMR lowering springs. I think they only go like 1.25 inches, maybe 1.5 inches, front and back. It's supposed to be, the back is most definitely down 1.25 inches, but that front still look the same. So I'm gonna have to do my research on that one, y'all. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on them post notifications too, man. I got a lot of stuff on the way for this car, man. I got a lot. Just not just for the car, but the channel itself. Like as y'all know, I am Life of Chris J. This is Life of Chris J. Wait. I am Chris J. This is Life of Chris J. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for what's coming up next, because y'all ain't gonna want to miss this. I promise you. I ain't bringing y'all nothing but straight bangers. Nothing but lit content. So it ain't gonna be no regular boring vlog videos. It's gonna be one of the ones y'all gonna want to see what's coming up next. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, cut on the post notifications so y'all don't miss any upcoming videos. With that being said, man, that's just gonna be it. That's gonna be a wrap to the next video. I'll see y'all later.
I beat it up, straight from the west side. We having car, these hoes, these niggas, they know what's up. And me and Key, we up in the big, get the poppin' this shit like a mean plug. I came from nothing, I was down in Miami, got stuck getting head in the belly truck.